Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off notifications for the Hinge dating application. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now if you basically use the Hinge application over here and then you get lots of bombarded with these notifications that don't matter to you and then you don't want anybody to see that notifications, what you have to do for this is you want to open the settings application here and then go to notifications. And on the notifications you will find the application known as Hinge. Now assuming that you have enabled notifications for a Hinge, you can just turn off the toggle like this. Now in my case I have already turned it off, so you are not seeing the option there. Now once you've done that, you want to do is under Siri tab you will find Siri's suggestion. This is just optional by the way, so you can just go to Siri's suggestion and then simply look for the Hinge application that you can find here. Once you look for the Hinge app, just turn off the toggle next to Hinge and then you will be able to turn off all the toggles and then notifications for the Hinge app. So that's pretty much how you can turn off the notifications for Hinge app on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.